Fevicol too. Then we can use some scissors and some markers. So to make it, we'll take one sheet of blue color paper. Then, till how much you need your watch to be in that length and width, you're gonna fold it. But careful, like this. You can see how I fold it. Now I'm going to be carefully cutting it down with my scissors. I'm going to show the back side, and like this, and this gentle. You have to be very careful with scissors because you do not want to cut your hands. Cut and now put this sheet aside. Now we'll be working on the sheet. So in order for us to put it on our hand, we need something to strap it up. So we're going to be making our strap. So let's take one marker. So I'm going to be taking a green color marker and just make how thick you want your strap to be in that much thickness. Just do a line like this. So we're going to be closing it right like this and closing the marker, putting it in the box and close. Now I'm going to be cutting only the sides. I'm not going to be cutting it off. Only the sides like snap and snap right here. Snap and snap. Like this you can see much better. Now you can see it is like this standing. Now on the other side, now you can just see you have a stick right here. So you need something to just go in through here. So we're going to be doing a small square here. So before you just cut it out, I want to make sure it's perfect for this shape. So I'm just going to be drawing a square right here. And how big is that is, I'm going to be drawing a little big square here too. You're going to see that little green square. Now put my paper down and I'm going to be cutting out that square. So I'm just going to be folding my sheet only there, and I'm going to be cutting the square as big as I drew it. So it's a little hard. I cut it and look at it, it's still hard. It's not a problem if it's too small, but it's a problem if it's too big. Right here you can see, but it's nothing to make it tight. So we're going to be making a strap. So I'm going to put this watch aside. So for viewing, we're going to be using this white sheet. So I'm going to be just cutting as much as I want my strap. I do not want to make it too loose or too tight. Right here, I have my sheet. You can fold it. Now I'm going to glue this glued on. Now we can understand that this is too wide because we do not want such thick, because we need it to be a little thin. This our big long watch is so long. So I'm gonna be folding. Fold. Right. So you can see I have fold right here. Now I'm gonna fold both sides because you can't just keep it one side folded. Now you can see that it's good. This long, thin little construction paper is folded. Now we can put that aside. Now we need to work on the strap. Now we are sure that it's super right. So I'm just gonna keep it and I'm just gonna buckle it right here. So I'm gonna just, where I buckle, I'm gonna mark it because I do not want that place to go. Take it, put it flat, and I'm gonna just glue it. Now we hold and tie a thing to glue them. Before you glue it, I must put it in here so that I won't be able to glue it on. There we go. Now you have fine working strap, but before you move that, you must make sure that your strap has dried. So you put that aside. So let's make a frame. So to make a frame, I'm gonna be folding the sheet even thick because you don't want it to be too thick. So let's make it a little thick. This is how thick I'm gonna make mine. Now I'm just gonna snip it. Snip this. Have my new construction paper with you right there. Now I have a big wide paper. I don't want to make it too wide. So I'm gonna fold it nice and thick. It's kind of like a cupboard. No, cupboard with two doors. Cupboard with two doors. That's not the side we're gonna do. Look at. So now we're gonna fold this like this. To make a fold it, you need, you need a window and an opening. You can say an opening. So before we fold it, we're gonna make an opening. For the opening, in the inside, I'm gonna be doing a sketch. Now, let's take again green. Sketch out. Right here, you can see my sketch. So now I'm gonna put the inside and the outside, so we can easily just cut through the sketch. I'm just gonna cut on the line. You can see it's a little hard to cut when you're near to the edge. Now you can see I've cut it clearly. It's nice. Now we can easily just fold where we were folding. There we go. We have fold right here because we don't want here to be totally blank. And fold again. Now this will keep popping up. Don't worry, just need to put some fairy right here. Let's open fairy. Here you go. So I'm just quickly just jam it down. Okay. Now it's good that we have these little pockets. In the first pocket, you're gonna see my hand. Hand show. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be right on. I'm just gonna be working on a few details right here on this. While it's mushing on, I'm gonna be doing a few details right here. This kind of looks like a pocket, or you can say, get it, a shirt pocket. Now I'm gonna be taking which color shall I choose? Which marker? We can pick black. I'm choosing this dark black marker and see my little theater. And I'm just gonna be just highlighting on the top. Right here, you can see that little highlight. Now I'm just gonna be drawing like curtain details. Oh my gosh, double-sided heart. It's so double-sided. So I'm gonna close my marker, put it aside. And now this heart is gonna just be setting. Well, I'm not gonna be doing details here because this looks like a drumstick. I'm just gonna be taking this, fold it, because this is construction paper. You can't fold it. So you can feel like a pointy tip. And just insert these curtains, put it in, fold it, and with the help of this white thing, we're just gonna tuck it in. Wow, you just was putting it. So you can make it tight or loose. So I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the tip of the watch. The tip. Put it right here. Right here. And you can put it as glue. Now, we're gonna be putting the thing in here. So we need something to put in here. And by the way, if you wanna put anything in, you can actually put a storage space in. Because in the back, there are two little pouches. You have one to put in the scenes and the picture, and the second one is right here. You can see wide and open. There you can actually put in the items. And now it's sticking on, so I'm going to be sticking our little mini theater onto my pretty little watch. I'm just going to take some Fevicol and just put it here. And I'm just going to put this right here. Now you can see our little theater has stuck onto our watch. Now we have it all along with us. Now, if you have these mini little adorable books, you can actually put them in here. Let's put them on. And like that, beautifully you can display your little beautiful mini books. So I hope you guys liked my video. And if you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.